Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss about Instagram not working or not showing any kind of new post, which means Instagram has server down problem. For example, if you refresh the Instagram and want to see the new post, then first time it will not show you the new post because it has the server down problem in the Instagram. So if you want to check whether it is a server down problem or it is only with your device or mobile, then how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Play Store and you have to simply install an app which is known as Down Detector. So if you see the upper line of the Instagram that is going up, which means it has problem in nearby, which means if you see many persons are reporting Instagram down error, then which means it has a down detector problem, which means Instagram server has down. So what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that Instagram team can solve this problem. But if the problem is still there, what you can do next is you have to simply press and hold your app, and after that you have to click on app info, and here you have to simply do the first thing, which is as you have to simply force stop the app. After that you have to simply clear the storage and cache it, and after that you have to open the Instagram app and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, so you have to wait for some time so that Instagram solve that problem in automatically. For this you have to wait for the next update, because in next update Instagram automatically solved that server down problems. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.